When it comes to elevating the look and feel of your home in Sugar Land, few upgrades deliver as much impact as modern replacement windows. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want a fresher, more beautiful exterior, the right windows can instantly transform your home's character. With today's styles offering better energy performance, sleek designs, and customizable looks, replacement windows are one of the smartest improvements for boosting curb appeal. A fresh, updated appearance that stands out. Homes in Sugar Land vary in style, from contemporary brick designs to traditional stucco and stone. Modern replacement windows allow homeowners to match or subtly refresh any architectural style. Slimmer frames, larger glass areas, and vibrant color options create a clean, modern appearance that enhances the exterior without overwhelming it. For older homes, replacing outdated or worn windows can dramatically brighten the facade. Clear, distortion-free glass and crisp new frames make your entire property appear more polished. Even a simple switch from standard white frames to bold black or bronze can add a striking, upscale touch that increases visual interest. More natural light for a brighter interior and exterior. Curb appeal doesn't stop at the surface. Replacement windows also enhance how your home looks from within. Modern designs maximize natural light, giving your interior a warm, inviting glow that's visible through the windows from the street. Open, airy rooms suggest a well-maintained home, something potential buyers instantly notice. Whether you choose large picture windows, elegant casement styles, or versatile double-hung designs, the added brightness contributes to a welcoming aesthetic that attracts attention for all the right reasons. Energy efficiency that adds long-term value. Sugar Land homeowners also appreciate upgrades that reduce energy costs. Modern replacement windows are engineered for efficiency, featuring insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and low-E coatings that minimize heat transfer. This helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round, especially during Texas summers. A home that looks great and performs well is instantly more appealing, both to current residents and future buyers. Energy-efficient features are a major selling point in today's market and can increase the overall perceived value of your property. Enhanced architectural style and custom design options. One of the biggest advantages of modern replacement windows is the ability to personalize your home's appearance. You can choose from countless grid patterns, frame colors, finishes, and hardware styles to complement your home's exterior. Black frames offer a modern, bold look. Wood-look finishes bring warmth and traditional charm. Custom shapes, such as arches or geometric windows, add visual character. These design choices allow you to create a unified, cohesive exterior that boosts curb appeal instantly. Whether your goal is subtle refinement or a complete architectural refresh, today's replacement windows provide the flexibility to achieve your vision. Improved functionality that supports everyday living. Curb appeal is only part of the equation. Functionality matters just as much. New windows open and close smoothly, provide better ventilation, and reduce outside noise. This contributes to a more peaceful living environment that homeowners in busy Sugar Land neighborhoods truly appreciate. Functional upgrades also signal to potential buyers that your home has been well maintained and thoughtfully updated. When combined with an attractive exterior, this adds another layer of desirability. A smart investment for Sugar Land homeowners. Replacing old or outdated windows is a highly effective way to enhance both beauty and value. With the variety of modern materials and design options available, you can create an exterior look that feels fresh, stylish, and uniquely yours. For Sugar Land homeowners seeking a meaningful upgrade, modern replacement windows offer a perfect balance of visual appeal, energy efficiency, and lasting value.